Hey guys, and welcome to a CSS tutorial part 14. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about links. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about different link states, adding color on the link, and designing a link button. So from one of the HTML tutorial we learned about links, but we only went through just clicking on the link, but not like designing it. For example, like whenever you hover on the link, there'll be a certain color towards it. So, what are the different link states and its meanings? So, the a.link, which means that is an unvisited link. A.visit, a link where the user has visited. A.hover, when the user hovers on the link, and A.active, the moment as soon as the link is clicked. So I got a tip. So A.hover has to come after the A.link and A.visit, and A.active has to come after the A.hover, so meaning that it has to be in order right there. So let's go on to Sublime Text. So here we are on Sublime Text, and let's go through the first bit. So you need a link right here on your HTML file right there. So you could just copy this exact link on your file right there. So it's just a href equals the link right here. So it could be anything, any link. Then put target blank, and then just name it. So right there. So if you just I'll just write a link right there. So just save that, and then yeah. So let's get through the first step. So let's go on link. So something that is unvisited. But before we do that, let's just change the color of the link just to get an idea of it. So if you just press and just type in A right there, because we're just gonna put in A because that's the only link we're gonna do, and just type in color right there and just type in blue. Just make it simple. So if you just go into the web page right there, and then here where do we put the link? Oh, it's right there. So we can't really see it because of the thing. So we can just move it above them. So if you just Control X, and then let's put it here, right here. Let's just save that. Let's go back on it. Nope, you can't. You know what, let's just get rid of it. Doesn't matter. Don't need to go through any of this tutorial. So yeah, so if you just save that, then yeah, so it's a lot better. So it's blue, but let's just change it up a bit. Let's put it green, because normally the blue is the default color right there. Save that again, then load it up or refresh it, and yeah, so it's green right there. So yeah, so that's right there, and then when you hover onto it, it'll say youtube.com right there. So yeah, so that's the color right there. So you could even put in a background color, but we'll just go through that later. So here, just get rid of that, and then here, just right here, just write A, then dot, or just write A dot link, and then do the curly brackets, then enter. And then yeah, so right there, so the link that is an unvisited link. So if you just type in the color of that, so if you just type in, you know what, let's use color picker. So if you just go on color picker right there, then here let's do red, sort of that, and then unlight around here. So just copy that, and then go back to on Sublime Text and right there put in the color, and then so that's the link. And then the second step, the visited link, so it has to be in the order that I'm saying right now, or otherwise it won't work. So, and the color for that, it will be let's go back, let's do like around that, and then copy that, then go on that, then paste it right there, and then again the hover, HOVER, and then right there color, go back, let's do pink around here, that's fine. Copy that on Sublime Text, oh right there, and then finally the active. So if you just type in active, color, then again green. Let's do that, and then we could do like bright green right there. Copy that, and then again right there. So if we just save that, then right there, let's save both of them. Oh, save both of them right there. Then go back on that right there, and then here, so it's an unvisited link, so it'll be I don't know, whatever color it is, like a peach color. Then if we hover onto it, it'll be pink. Then if we click on it, so just click on it, you could see the green bit, and if you press on that, then it will go into the YouTube link right there. So and then as it's visited, it will go back to the color, the visited link color right there. So it's actually pretty good. So hover onto it, then once you click on it, then it'll go on it. So right there, so that's the button link right there, and all of that right there. And then we could so we added color. We could also add the background color of it. So if we just normally just go on A right there, then here if we just add the background color right there, and then if we do, what should we do? We could do sort of purple right there, dark purple color right there. Or we could do like a brighter color. Let's do yellow. We could do right here. Yeah, exactly right there. Copy that, save it right there, go back onto the so that's the background color right there. So yeah, so it still does the exact same thing right there. So yeah, so that's the background color, the color as well. And let's start designing our button right there, or the link. So here we could just let's delete all of this because we already know what we're doing right there. And then here let's do, so whenever we so if it's an unvisited link, and if it's a visited link, visited, then if you just do that, and then we could so first step on our on creating the button, we could do a background color first. So we could do sort of like a where is it? Yeah, right there. Could do sort of like a light blue right there. So we just copy that right there. So that's our first step onto creating the button for the link. And then the color again, let's do like a sort of like a darker color, maybe lighter actually. We could do lighter. We could do yellow right there. So copy that, then go into Sublime Text, paste that in. So that's background color and color, so technically the basic stuff. Then we could also go through the padding. So we definitely went through this. So we could put like 2 pixels right there, so which will be the width and the height. That's all we need, as it's going to be a box. So we could just do, let's do 10 pixels by 20 pixels, just double it bit. And then so that's the padding. So that's another good way of creating the box. Let's do the alignment right there. So we could just do the center. That'll be really good. And I think that's it really. So that's all we need. So the background color, the padding, and the text align right there. So right there, and then after when we whenever we hover onto it, it'll just change color right there. Hover on or whenever the thing is active, the link. So if we just do that right there, and then if we do just the color, that's all we need right there. And then oh yeah, no, it's the background color, my bad. So if we just do background color, and then here let's make it let's change it into a different color. So we could do white right there. We do white. So right there, let's just so whenever the link is unvisited and or when it's visited right there, so the background color right there, the color, the padding, and the text align right there. And then whenever we hover onto it or whenever we click on it, the background color will be white right there. So if we just save that right there, so save both of them right there, and then if we go back onto the web browser, and then so right there it doesn't work because I got I obviously got to put a comma, so that's a very easy mistake that you can make right there. So if you just save that, then go in it back again, then right here, yep, right there, see, is a very easy mistake that you can make right there. So so yeah, that's what it is right there. So so yeah, so whenever, let's go back on it again, so whenever you hover onto it, it'll turn white right there, and then you can't really see the yellow right there. So let's just change the color right there. Go back onto color picker, and then let's make it a lot more dark color. So if you, a darker color, so if you just go right there, then right there, if you just copy that and go back, just go back on here, so right there, so if you just save that, just cross that, so save that, then go back on it, yep, so right here, and then whenever, oh no, we're supposed to change the color, not the background color. We already saved, right here, yeah. So if you just go back right there, then now whenever we go right here, let's see, so right there, so that's the button link right there, and then whenever we click on it, and then as it's visited, yeah, so right there, so right there, so so yeah, so that's actually pretty cool right there. So so yeah, that's a very good addition onto your website right there. So so yeah, so that was the final step. So so we went through the link and the visited link, the hover, the active. We changed color onto the, we generally change color onto the link right there. So let's go on to the CSS questions. So here are the CSS questions right here. So for number 1, how many different link states did we go through in this video? Number 2, does the link states have to be in order? And number 3, if you think the link state is in order, what is it? So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. If you haven't, pause the video before we get onto it. So for number 1, we went through 4 different states. And number 2, yes, it has to be in order. And number 3, the link, visited, hover, and active. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. So, and next video we're gonna go through displays. So thank you for watching.